Hey, your car guy, Bill DeBoer over here at DeBoer's Auto. Just wanted to take a quick minute and make a video for everybody today and talk about the vehicle maintenance services you should be focusing on for your vehicle. There's a number of different maintenances you can do on your vehicle, but some of the big ones are the engine flush, the trans flush, the fuel system service, the coolant service, power steering fluid service, and the brake fluids flush. So I'll break these down individually. The engine flush is very important because as your car ages, oil builds up and you get sludge deposits in your engine that'll restrict the oil flow within the engine and could cause some damage. So the main thing is you want to keep it flushed once a year, keep everything nice and clean in there. As far as the transmission flush goes, you want to keep that fluid as fresh and clean as possible. The nice thing with our system is we use the Valvoline Professional series to do this, and that gives you a $4,000 warranty on your transmission should it fail after having that service done. So the idea is to get in there. Valvoline believes in this product, and that's why they provide that warranty that they do. If you maintain your transmission, it should not fail. So the fuel system service goes and treats the carbon deposits that are building up inside today's engines. We've moved, as technology has changed, to a newer fuel delivery service inside modern vehicles, and with that they're generating a lot of carbon buildup in there. So what the fuel system service does is it gets in there, removes those harmful deposits, and keeps everything nice and clean. The coolant system is another major important system in the vehicle. By keeping your coolant cleaned out and fresh, it prevents all your seals and gaskets related to that, which are what become expensive repairs if it's not serviced properly. So you want to make sure that you always keep that coolant changed and fresh and serviced in there. Power steering system. Some cars today have electric and some still use hydraulic. So if you're on the hydraulic system, the fluid could break down and cause damage and deposits and degradate hoses and such, leading to leaks and failures of major components. So by keeping that flushed out and fresh all the time, we'll prevent all that stuff. And lastly is your brake fluid flush. So typically we do this every brake job for you guys. What that does is brake fluid is actually hygroscopic, meaning that it absorbs the moisture in the air. So over time it absorbs moisture and it does not break as efficiently as it does when it's fresh. And the other thing that moisture does is it gets into very expensive ABS and electronic control braking devices and become very expensive for repairing. So these are the main vehicle services that you should be concerned with on your vehicle, and they don't all have to be done at once. The best thing to do is spread them out over a course of time, but just always make sure that you're hitting them at a very good scheduled that you're on. So head on over to www.deboersauto.com and check us out there.